Hello, everyone. In this issue, we cover the most significant events in the crypto world from August 1st to August 16th, 2025. We will talk about Bitcoin's new all-time high, Ethereum's rapid growth, the latest features of the BitPay payment service, and we will also analyze the new US stablecoin law, the Genius Act, and other important news. Make yourself comfortable. It's going to be interesting. Analytics company Fundstrat said Ethereum could go up to $12,000 to $15,000 by the end of 2025 because it's got a lot of potential. Fundstrat Capital's chief information officer Thomas Lee shared this opinion. In his note, Lee stated that the company has officially added Ethereum to the Mag7 and Bitcoin asset category. Fundstrat emphasized that Ethereum has been outperforming Bitcoin since the beginning of 2025, with 28% growth compared to 18%. At the same time, the asset remains within 3 to 5% of its all-time high, ATH, which implies potential for further growth. On the night of August 14th, 2025, the price of Bitcoin broke through the $124,000 ceiling and set a new all-time high, according to TradingView. Experts believe that this growth is due to macroeconomic factors favorable to high-risk assets. At the time of writing, the price of Bitcoin has fallen below $121,500, with a weekly gain of 5.6%. Previous attempts to update the all-time high on the evening of August 13th were met with a sell-off, after which the price returned to the $120,000 zone. Additionally, according to Reuters, BlackRock has increased its cryptocurrency assets to a record $100 billion, with Bitcoin accounting for the lion's share. BitPay marketing director Bill Zielke said that the integration with Solana will promote the use of stablecoins in international payments. Buyers will be able to pay for goods and services faster and cheaper, and merchants will be able to receive funds without having to store or convert cryptocurrency. Transactions are supported from both BitPay wallets and external Solana wallets, including Phantom, Solflare, and Backpack. In early August, the U.S. passed the Genius Act, the first comprehensive federal law regulating stablecoins. The law aims to increase their security and attract large banks to the sector. Following the passage of the act, several U.S. banks and fintech companies immediately announced plans to issue their own dollar-pegged stablecoins. On August 13th, Bullish held an IPO on the New York Stock Exchange. The starting price was $37, and on the first day, the shares jumped by almost 62%, giving the company a valuation of about $13.2 billion. This was the most successful crypto IPO of the year. ETHZilla, formerly 180 Life Sciences, completely changed its strategy and now holds reserves in Ethereum, nearly $350 million in ETH. The company's shares rose 70% in one day. On August 14th, at the Bitcoin World Disrupt 2025 conference, Box.com CEO Aaron Levy presented the concept of integrating artificial intelligence with blockchain systems for the corporate sector. Participants noted that this approach could accelerate the adoption of crypto technologies in business, on par with the internet in the 90s. Write in the comments what you think. Will Ethereum be able to catch up with Fundstrat's forecast and exceed $15,000? Or will Bitcoin remain the king of the crypto jungle? Subscribe to the channel, like and click the bell. There's more fresh news, analytics, and forecasts ahead.